Here's how to install a Rain-X Silicone AdvantEdge blade on a small pin arm. Locate the buttons on both sides of the adapter. Squeeze buttons and flip open the cap. Next, to remove the adapter cover, hold the wiper blade with one hand and remove the adapter cover with the other. You're now ready to install the blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. Insert the small pin into the smaller of the two holes, pushing all the way through. Use the additional connector cover included in the package. Place the cover over the adapter and press down firmly until you hear a click. Close the cap until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You're ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Silicone AdvantEdge.